What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today is going to be a relaxing nighttime clean with me. So this is kind of just my routine after a long day, after cooking, and all of that good stuff. So this is also a collab with my friend Lynn. You guys should definitely go check out her channel after mine and go watch her video. She is a mama of 5. She does all kinds of videos from meal planning to day in a life and just similar videos that I do. So you guys should definitely go check her out, show her some love. Please let her know I sent you. And we're gonna go ahead and give you guys double the dose of motivation tonight and all of that good stuff. So right now I'm just cleaning up our dinner mess. It was actually date night for us. So Isaiah made dinner for him and Ava, and he made spaghetti.
Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day.
So I've been trying to utilize these wipes just because they're easy and convenient, and I have them.
Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day.
So now I'm going to go ahead and use the lavender just to kind of get the counters smelling good and cleaning off the rest of the counters and stove. And sorry if my kitchen lighting is bad, you guys. This is the evening time. This is not usually how my videos look, but because it is so late and we don't have like proper lighting in our house, it comes out really yellow. So I'm so sorry, but it is the evening routine, so just dimmed lights, I should say.
And put away. Call it a day. Call it a day.
So I do like to clean underneath my microwave because when we cook, the food kind of like sticks underneath there and all of that steam and stuff, and it builds up. So I always make sure to wipe under there. So right now I'm going to go ahead and just clean up my kitchen station area, and just went and picked up some groceries earlier this day. So I went ahead and refilled my little coffee, my little Keurig coffee cups. And my favorite coffee is the Seattle's Best coffee, just so you guys know, the medium roast. And if you guys are over here from Lynn's channel, hello, my name is Lindsay, and I would love it if you guys would take some time to go check out some of my other videos down in the description box and maybe consider subscribing. I would love to have you.
Call it a day.
So we are actually prepping for 4th of July, so we bought a bunch of soda. We don't usually buy soda and all of that. I always buy ice drinks, but we went ahead and got this because we are having family in from Oklahoma, and I just wanted to make sure we were stocked up with snacks and drinks and all of that good stuff. And you're going to see Ava helping me out a lot. This is my 3-year-old, for you, those of you that don't know, and she loves to help mommy. She loves to participate. So we're going to go ahead and just put away some of these dishes. I do like to hand wash some of my dishes. I'm really pick and choosy about it. Definitely I try and hand wash my pots and pans just to eliminate from not having them in the dishwasher. So that's what we're doing right now. We're just going to go put away the clean dishes. So you're going to see my dog Remy, and he actually just got neutered. So he has a cone on his head right now, or a cone around his neck, and he has to have it on for like another week. So that's what you're going to see there. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and try and fill up the dishwasher as much as possible with the rest of the dishes in the sink. And I did get this marble dry mat. I like to use like dry mats when I hand wash dishes. I don't like to use dish racks. It just saves space, and I think they're so pretty. I have a baby blue one or an aqua teal one, and this marble one that I recently just picked up from Walmart. I actually have a link down below in my description box to my Amazon store that carries most of the products that I have here in my house and the products that I like and stuff like that. So if you're ever looking for something that you see that I have and you want to check it out, just go down there to the Amazon link and I have my own little store. So right now I'm just going ahead and put my Cascade dishwashing soap in the dishwasher, and we're going to go ahead and run it. And then the rest of the dishes I'm just going to go ahead and hand wash just because they're not going to fit in there. And then this little dish brush that I use, you can actually put soap in there and press a little button and it like gives off soap. I don't always use it that way. I just typically fill up my sink with soapy water and use that. But I actually got it from a company called Grove Collaborative. I absolutely love their company because they have a bunch of non-toxic products and you have them delivered right to your house. So I actually have like a free offer in my description box if you want to check them out. Now, towards the end of the day, if I manage to get my cleaning routine done, which is not always 100% during the week, you guys, sometimes I'm just too tired and I save it for the morning. But when I do manage to, number one thing is cleaning my sink for the night. I want it to be clean of any kind of food buildup, and I want it to be dry. So that is what I'm doing here. So right here I am using Barkeeper's Friend. I really like this product to clean my sink. I usually use it to clean my glass stove. I don't think I used it tonight, but I love cleaning my sink with it. It really shines it up. I mean, look at that. It just got all that dirt out so easy.
Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you.
So I went ahead and tried to put the Barkeeper's Friend on the dishwasher, and it did not work out for me. I did not like that on the stainless steel. So I did it for the dishwasher, but I went ahead and changed products for the rest of the kitchen, and it started giving off a smell, and I just couldn't do the metal smell. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Weeman's stainless steel wipes for the rest of the stainless steel in the kitchen. And these, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you guys know I love these wipes. I got them from Ross. And then what I do is after I put the product all over the refrigerator, I will grab a paper towel and just kind of dry it off, and it comes out perfect, shiny, and new.
And it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you.
And then right here, you're going to see Ava being a little helper because, again, she just loves to help and participate in whatever I'm doing.
Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
So now we're going to go ahead and just wipe down the counters or the rest of the counters. And I'm just using my Lavender by Method. I think it's lavender, but it's the Method multi-surface cleaner, and I love it. I love the smell, and I love Method. So that is what I'm doing here. And I usually use microfiber towels on the counters, but I think I ran out at this moment and I just kept cleaning, and then I think later on I went upstairs to go grab another one or grab a pile.
How, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love. Let me love. Let me love you.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and put away the rest of the clean dishes that I hand washed and just kind of get the countertops cleared off.
You weigh me down. My actions will be forgiven.
So right now I'm just going to go ahead and finish sweeping up the kitchen and just getting any kind of like dog hair or food that fell on the floor all cleaned up for the night. So in the morning when we wake up, the house is super clean. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love all of you guys, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing down below. And you guys, don't forget to go check out Lynn's video and go ahead and show her some love. Let her know I sent you, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.